student in the Aviation and Aeronautics Academy drone pathway, I get to partake in thrilling experiences like drone soccer, a high-speed 5-on-5 battle of precision flying, advanced programming, and flawless teamwork. We also dive into the excitement of advanced vertical robotics, an intense drone engineering challenge where we design, code, fly, and compete with custom-built drones. We use state-of-the-art drone simulators that let us pilot a variety of drones in dynamic virtual environments that wouldn't be possible anywhere else. In the first semester of our junior year, we earn our commercial drone pilot certificate, known as the Part 107 license, unlocking the ability to fly drones professionally and get paid for it. We put our skills to the test in real-world conditions using the National Institute of Standards and Technology Open Test Lane, pushing our limits with every flight.
In your senior year, brace for an epic challenge. Master roof, power line, pipeline, and cell tower inspections, and create orthomosaic maps. I get to fly various drones with intense imagery payloads, mostly thermal and visual capabilities, to dominate those inspections. Get ready for a thrilling mission in search and rescue. Harness thermal imaging with our Autel thermal drone to spot targets. Once found, we load the drone with first aid bags to save survivors. Also during the search and rescue part, we will crush the FEMA training for IS 100, 200, 700, and 800.